Hello everyone, this is Rohan from Infometry. Welcome to Infometry Knowledge Series where we share best practices to implement unique solutions. Salesforce provides a set of sample images which you can make use of in your image indicators. But if a customer wants a custom image in his indicator, you would have to upload it to Salesforce first. Image indicators are formula fields which display images based on certain conditions. These image indicators are created by uploading the image to Salesforce and using the image address link in the formula. This is how your image indicators would look like in Salesforce Lightning. There are many ways in which you can accomplish this. One is by storing these images which you use in your formula fields in documents, but there is a better way to do this. You can store these images in files. How do you do that is go to your app launcher, click on files, click on libraries and create a new library. What this does is it creates a new folder for you where you can store all your images in one single location in Salesforce. So once you do that, you can upload your files or images by clicking on add files and uploading it from your local machine. Once you upload your image, you can click on the image, right click and say copy image address. Once you copy the image address, you can go to your formula, go to setup, so my formula is an account object. Let me go to account object and select the field, scroll down and go to your formula field. So you can paste your link over here. Once you paste your link, you click save and that is done. You link your image that is there in your files to your formula and that is represented over here. Why we prefer storing images in files as opposed to storing images in documents is because images which are stored in files are picked up much quicker in both Salesforce Lightning and Salesforce Classic. If this video was helpful, please like, share and subscribe.